passenger side covers. So what you need to do is take out the cover, take out the headlight cover, and over here right there, pull that out. Literally it's pull, bulbs out, unplug the bulb. Yep. See, can you hold this? Right. Yep. Unplug that. Okay. What we do is plug the bulb in. We'll just test it. Hang on a minute. So if the bulb is on, we've got the right polarity.
And you can see that gap in the front.
And then
that's where we need to slot it in.
If you look at this tab, that's got to be facing upwards, and the bulb facing straight on like that. Push firmly in, and then if you go round, making sure it's straight and fixed like that. All you do, come back here, put the cover back on, twist, put the wheel well cover back on from the bottom, clips at the top. Like that. Make sure it's secure. And that's how you do it. Job done.